Nasty Nathaniel out here in the city of Makati in the Philippines. And right now I'm going to be conducting an audit of the Philippine Department of Trade and Industry. We're going to make sure that this department of the government here in the Philippines respect and honor my constitutional rights under Philippine law to record in public. So let's boogie, woogie, woogie, woogie. Flying high and proud is the Philippine flag. So yeah, this is it. It's the building. I wasn't planning on doing this particular audit. I just happened to pass by this on my way over to the MRT to catch the train back to Quezon City. And I just noticed that it was a government building, and yeah, it caught my attention, so I thought I'd check it out, and oh, that's kind of neat. Got like some kind of garden or something up there. But yeah, thought I'd check it out, you know, see how they react, see if they respect my right to film in public. So it's pretty active. We got some people going about their business there, workers I assume, and there's somebody there trying to park. But yeah, it's pretty active. It's a Friday afternoon. Everybody's getting ready for the weekend. So yeah, I know some people have seen me. Oh. Hi, how are you?
Okay.
Is this the Department of Trade and Industry?
Yes, sir.
What do they do here?
Huh?
What kind of, what can we?
Transaction
Oh, really?
for investor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I just think government buildings are interesting. Oh, okay. Well, thank you. Have a good day. All right, that's pretty cool. He was a professional. Definitely give him a pass. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this audit up. Got a little bit of interaction there from that guy. I don't know if he was security or something, I don't know. But yeah, he said this is where they do transactions. So that's pretty vague. But either way, he didn't stop me from filming or attempt to. So I'll go ahead and call this another Philippine A+ pass. It's continues to amazes me how open the Filipino people are to public photography, or at least in most cases. I know that security guard at the post office wasn't digging it too much, but overall, the Philippines seem to respect the rights of individuals to record in public. So once again, another A+ pass. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that groovy stuff. So until the next audit, happy trails.